A resolution expressing sincerest gratitude to the late Enriqueta Dato Locara, who joined her creator at the age of 98, and heartfelt sympathies and condolences to the bereaved family. Whereas the grateful people of Iloilo province expressed grief, sorrow, and loss to the demise of the late Enriqueta Dato Locara of Barangay San Matias, Dingle, Iloilo. Whereas the late Miss Locara, an acknowledged swimming coach for more than 60 years in the municipality of Dingle and the whole province of Iloilo. She was the coach of Nancy Diano, who competed in 3 swimming events of the 1976 Summer Olympics in Montreal, Canada. Whereas at the age of 86, the late Miss Locara led the Iloilo Sea Warriors during the Palarong Pambansa held in Tarlac City. Whereas the provincial government of Iloilo recognizes her dedication to her work and her unfaltering support and cooperation with the provincial government. During her lifetime, she was not only a loving mother and wife, she excludes humility and helpfulness and was an active educator who served 65 years teaching in West Visayas State University. Whereas the Sangguniang Panlalawigan mourns the loss of a passionate person and so deeply shares the sadness of her bereaved family. Despite this dissolution and bereavement, the constituents of the province of Iloilo take gratitude to her services and contributions. May this resolution, together with the outpouring expressions of heartfelt sympathies and condolences from relatives, friends, and the grateful constituents, officials, and employees of the provincial government of Iloilo, bring refuge and comfort to her bereaved family in this low and trying point of her life. Whereas, with this expression of heartfelt sympathies and condolences, the province of Iloilo joins the bereaved family in beseeching the Almighty God, the Father, for His wisdom and compassion to grant her soul eternal recent repose and peace in her glorious kingdom. Now therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved in Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo, to express sincerest gratitude to the late Enriqueta Dato Locara, who peacefully joined her creator at the age of 98, and heartfelt sympathies and condolences to her family, bereaved family. Madam Chair.
I so move.
Board Member Matt would like to co-sponsor.
Yes, so move with
And Board
co-sponsor.
also and 4th District.
Board
Dingle.
also, Board
Thank you.
Mat, Board Bebet, Board
Yes.
Paes. Yes, so moved and second the motion. Seconded by Honorable Soriano, Palabrica, Kayilig, Mondehar, and Serag. Motion is approved.